Hello guys, I'm Paula and today I'm going to make a pizza.
You must make a dough. All you need is flour, jam, water and salt. Then you mix it all together. Now you have to let the dough rest for half an hour. Then dough on the sheet metal. Then you need passata, tomatoes and cheese. Now you put them all on the pizza. They cut the tomatoes on the dough. You can put everything on the pizza like you want to put on your pizza, but I only want it like that. Now you need to put the pizza in the oven and bake it by 210 degrees for 10 minutes. That's the final result. It looks very good. It smells very good. And it's really tasty.